What's going on, guys, and welcome to Yota Xpedition. In this one, we're going to be adding a little bit more interior storage to our 5th gen 4Runner. We have the cubby drawers here from Yota Xpedition. If you guys want to pick these up, link is down in the description. Let's go ahead and get into the install. All right, so for starters, these are 3D printed here in-house, and we have two different options. You can get just regular black, or you can get black with our topography engraved on it. Another really nice feature about these is they have a built-in magnet, so you don't have to worry about these things rattling loose when you're going down the trail. And I also want to mention that these will fit all 5th gen 4Runner models. All right, so we have an extra center console piece here, which is out of the 4Runner. It's gonna be a little bit easier to just show you guys what's going on here outside of the vehicle. But we have some alcohol and a rag. We are going to spray in here and wipe down where the double-sided tape is going to be sticking for the magnet so that we can ensure that it sticks good. So now we're gonna take our upper drawer here. We have the magnet on the back side. You want to make sure that that is sticking properly and in the right orientation. And we are going to peel off the backing for that double-sided tape. And we'll go ahead and drop that into our center console piece. Give it a little bit of a push. Pull the drawer out, and now we have our other half of our magnet stuck back there. Just go ahead and give that a good push. And there we go. So we have our upper drawer installed. As you can see, it has a nice grab there with the magnet, strong enough that it's not gonna fall out, but it easily pulls out. So we'll go ahead now and do the lower drawer, which has the same thing, except it has two magnets. So we'll go ahead and peel off the backing for those, put it in place, and then get those stuck down. So there you have it, installed with just the regular black. Go ahead and pop these out and show you what it looks like with the topo installed, if that's something you're going for. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this one. Super easy install to give you guys a little bit more storage on the interior of your 5th gen 4Runner. So the last thing to do is just show you some clips of this installed in the 4Runner. And if you guys want to grab this from Yota Xpedition, click the link down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.